Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 311, a studio on the 3rd floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll see is the large hall closet on your left. Moving on into the apartment, you come to the kitchen with a refrigerator, a dishwasher, a microwave, and an electric oven and range. The living area has 5 pieces of furniture: a dresser, a full-size bed, a desk and desk chair, and a bookshelf, as well as your second large closet. This apartment faces east, and you get lots of bright morning light even on a cloudy day. Every apartment is air conditioned and has a heating element. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice bathroom with a vanity with shelves and a medicine cabinet, a shower and tub combo, and an additional storage nook. Rent for Commons West apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 311. Call us today for availability.